In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Firebase. So, if you've been wondering how to make your Firebase hosted site live on your own custom domain, you're in the right place. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. First up, we need to open your preferred web browser and search for the Firebase console. Once you've done that, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you've set up two-factor authentication, that'll give you an extra layer of security, and that's always a good thing. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu and find the hosting option. Click on that, and it should take you to the hosting section where you can manage all things related to hosting your site on Firebase. You're making great progress so far. In the hosting section, find the button that says either Connect Domain or Add Custom Domain, depending on the current setup in Firebase. Give that button a click. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your custom domain name. For example, this could be something like yourdomain.com. After entering the name, click Continue. Firebase will now provide you with important DNS records, a TXT record, and a records. These pieces of information are crucial for verifying your ownership of the domain. So, make sure you carefully copy the entire value provided for these records. The next step is to switch screens and log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, locate the section called My Products and select the domain you wish to connect to Firebase. Here comes the technical part. You need to add a new DNS record. First, let's add the TXT record. Set the type to TXT and the host to @. Sometimes, GoDaddy's interface might ask you to leave the host field blank, so just be aware of this. Now, for the TXT value, paste the verification code you copied from Firebase. Now, moving on to the A record. Set this type to A as well. The host can be set to @ if you're dealing with your root domain, or www if you're targeting www.yourdomain.com. For the value field, you'll paste the IP address from the A record provided by Firebase. Once everything is correctly entered, it's time to save the new record. Always remember, DNS changes aren't instantaneous. It could take up to 24 hours for these adjustments to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work immediately. Grab another coffee and come back to check it a bit later. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Firebase. With a little patience and some attention to detail, your website will be live in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.